Hi everyone, welcome back to the Young Grower. So in this video we're going to be repotting our dahlias. We grew these from seeds. They were sown on the 16th of February, around 16 weeks ago. Yeah, and they've got very big. There's more. And there's some more that I've already repotted. So let's have a look and see what we've got. So I've already pinched the tips off of the dahlias. I haven't done this one, so I just literally pinch that off there, take off the growing point, and this way it will produce a bushier plant. So it's starting to send lots of side shoots out, what are amazing. So this variety here is Dahlia Pom Pom. So we have 3 of them. Then we have the Dahlia Yankee Doodle Dandy, I believe that one is. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I think 6 of those plants. And then we have the Dahlia Dwarf Cactus, and I think we got 2 of them. And then we also have the red skin dahlias. We have 2 of them. I already repotted them a few weeks ago. Let's have a look and see what the roots are like. Ideal, beautiful. So I have a few pots. Let's do this one here first. And all I'm going to do is just literally split them. Don't worry if you're afraid you'll damage a plant. I've got 2 perfect little plants there. Let's get some compost to put in this pot at the bottom. And we'll put that one in, and then we'll get some compost to fill up the sides. Just like that. I'm going to make sure I separate them until I write some more labels. Keep each variety on its own. Put the red skin in between. Now we're onto these ones, the Dahlia Pom Poms. And I'm hoping this one is, oh, look at the roots on that. It's already starting to form tubers, what is amazing. I have 1 plant. 3 plants. This one is so healthy, it looks absolutely amazing. I'm hoping this just gives you more of an idea of how to grow them from seed and how easy it is. All I've done is just left them in the cold greenhouse, sown them in February, covered them over with a plastic lid just to give them a little bit more protection. Frost did get to the first lot of seedlings that popped up, but then the rest of the seeds germinated and we ended up with these. So we've ended up with some that I didn't think we was actually going to have this year. Now we have one last variety to do. These are the Yankee Dandy Doodle, something like that. And now we're just going to do exactly the same as what we just did. And they look absolutely amazing. And there we go, that is them all repotted. I want to get some labels to label each individual pot so we don't get them mixed up. And now they all have labels. So we have 7 of the Yankee, 2 of the Dwarf Cactus, 2 Red Skin, and 3 of the Pom Pom Dahlias. And as I mentioned, if you pinch them out, it will encourage a bushier plant, what is a lot better. And just here on this one, go there, off the growing point, and there you go. Just break it off. So that is it for the dahlias. I'll bring you along for the next stage when we go to plant them out, just so it shows you from growing them all the way up to planting them out. Today has been a very busy day. We've planted out loads of squash. The sweet corn has been planted out. Yeah, lots. The polytunnel in the greenhouse is nearly empty, what is. Brilliant. Still a few more things to plan out over the coming week, and then we should all be done and ready to enjoy the growing season. I think I've even got a bit of a sunburn today because it's been so hot. I think it's 22 degrees outside, let alone what the temperature's been in here. I'm glad I've got the self-watering pot so I don't have to come in. Yeah, it's perfect. So from next week I am going to start doing my monthly tours again. Now that most things are planted out, I've got time to take you around and show you everything. We're doing a lot of seed to harvest videos this year. I think I have at least 20 videos on the go, so I'm not posting as much at the moment, but by the end of the season I'm going to have a video to show you all the way of growing from seed to harvest. I hope you've all had an amazing bank holiday and you managed to get out in the sun, do some gardening. It's a big world away from the rain what we had last week. So that is it from me here today at the Young Grower. We've repotted the dahlias, I've rambled a little bit, we've had a little catch up. Yeah, so keep an eye out for the videos coming soon. I'll film my June allotment tour next week so we can actually go around and show you all the cool things we're growing this year. I have so many cool amazing heirloom varieties to show and talk to you about. So say welcome to all the new subscribers. Yeah, every day there's just more and more coming. I don't think it's going to be long before we reach 1,000. I think we're at 625 at the moment, what is brilliant. So thank you for watching and we'll see each other soon. YouTube have recommended a video for you to watch, and if you are new to my channel and have not yet subscribed, if you click my logo you'll be able to.